Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about table mount laptop stand in sheet metal module. Left side you can see the laptop on the stand, and right side this is a laptop stand created in sheet metal module. So I have taken the inspiration from this model. So this is how it looks like. And this is the product. So I am going to create this component in sheet metal module. So these are the grippers. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select center point rectangle, draw from the origin. So this is 300, this is 224. Go to sheet metal module, select the base flange. So I am going to take 4 mm thickness and K factor as 0.45. So K factor should be always less than 0.5. See here radius also I have taken 4 mm. So select the edge flange. And this is $156. See, while creating the edge flange, we have to make sure that the flange position, so we can keep it a material inside. So this is important. So for a better visibility, now I am going to create one more flange. Here instead of 90, I am going to take 120. See here, and this value is 243. So here we can keep bend outside or material inside. So better to keep material inside. See here. So the sketch is not constrained, so we can add the dimension. Select this line. So here 243. See, let's see the flat pattern. It's a straight sheet. Next I am going to add hem. Select material inside, open type, select this edge. Here it is 12 mm and the gap between the two faces, this face and this top face, is 8 mm. So K factor is 0.45 and keep as it is. See here. Now I am going to create this cutout. So for that we have to apply unfold command. So select this face, collect all bends and say OK. Select this face, go to sketch, select corner rectangle. Make it collinear. Select this line, midpoint and this origin and make it vertical. So now it is exactly at the center. Now the distance between this line and this edge is 15 mm. Sorry, this is 50. And this is 200. So here we have to apply the fillets. Select these corner points. I'm going to take 15 mm. So go to sheet metal module, select extruded cut. So link to thickness and say OK. See here. Now select this face, go to sketch. I am going to create these slots, the inside slots. So select the straight slot, draw a vertical line, place it here. Select this edge, select the midpoint, select this point, make it vertical. So this is 80. This is 20. Similarly, select this line, right click and select the midpoint, select this point of the slot, make it horizontal. So it is exactly at the center. Now select one center line, draw from the origin vertically and select this slot, go to mirror entities and mirror about, select the center line. So there is one more sketch added. Go to sheet metal and extruded cut, link to thickness, and we have to always keep normal to cut. That is important. See here. So I am going to fold this. So select this fold command. So automatically it selects the face, collect all bends, and so this is how it is created now. So now I am going to apply these fillets. So I am going to use break corner. So select this corner and this corner. and I've taken 30 mm. So select, say OK. See, this is created. So I'm going to show the flat pattern. See here, this is how it looks like. So next I'm going to apply Gasset. Select the Gasset command and select this face. See, I have taken 25 mm offset and D1 as 15. See here. See, I am going to show you changes. D1, it is increasing height. So if I change it, so it is reducing. So here I am taking 15. So if I change here 20, it is increasing. So I have taken 15 and 45 degrees and intent width as 10. And this I am going to take 3. So you can take 4 also, equivalent to thickness of the sheet, and this is 4 mm outer corner fillet. So say OK. See here. See, in sheet metal module, when we make the flat pattern, so the Gasset features are not shown. So it is shown in the folded state. So now I am going to mirror this feature. Select the right plane, select the mirror command, and we have to select this feature. So we can select from here. So we have to click this feature to be mirror. So either you can select from here or we can select from here. So it is going to mirror here. See here. So I am going to apply this text on the stand. Either we can apply in the unfolded state or folded state. So I am going to select this face, go to sketch. So I am going to add text in this sketch. So this is the laptop stand, and we have to uncheck this use document font. We have to select the font. Here if you type Arial, select the Arial round. This is the best font, and we can keep 72 maximum. See here. Simply come out of this text command, and we have to dimension this origin. So select this. See, we have to select any edge and this point. So this is around 55 mm. So this is for placement of the text. This is 15. See, I am keeping in the top view. See, this is how it looks like. So we can move little bit, 52. So it comes exactly at the center. Now we have to select the wrap feature. So go to sketch, select this wrap. So the sketch has been selected. So we have to select this face. Here we have to select deboss and wrap method as analytical, and we have to assign this value. See, generally it is done with chemical etching or laser cutting. Based on that can apply the thickness. So here I am going to take 0.5. See here. So material has been removed here. See. Now I am going to apply fillets at this corner, these points. So select the break corner, fillet as 3 mm. Select this corner, this edge, this edge, this. Say OK. See here, should not be sharp, so we have to apply fillet to these edges. Now I am going to add a gripper on this. So select this face, go to sketch, draw straight slot. Select this line, select the midpoint and this one and make it horizontal. Similarly, select this top edge, right click, select the midpoint and select this. It is not taking, we have to select once again midpoint and this point, make it vertical. So it is exactly at the center. So we can dimension this. This is 100 and distance between two edges is 24. See, this we have to apply with extruded boss since it is a gripper. Either we can make it in this component or we can make it as a separate component and assemble it. So it depends on the design requirement. So here I am not going to select merge results. See here, it is a separate feature. So height we can take any value based on that. So I am going to take 2 mm. See here. So I am going to mirror this feature. So select the right plane, go to mirror command and here we have to select this feature. See, we have to select the, see if I select this and say OK, it doesn't create, see here, a rebuild error. So we have to uncheck propagate visual properties and we have to go to geometry and select all bodies and say OK. Since I have removed this merge results, because of that we have to modify the options. So now I am going to apply texture on this feature. So here we can take any texture. So I am going to take fabric. So I am going to select this one and this feature. See here, these are the grippers. So So the component is ready. See here, this is how it looks like. See here. So this is a brief about creating of a laptop stand in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching.